सभापतिको आवश्यक पर्ने हुनाले सभापतिको आसन ग्रहण गरिदिनु हुनका लागि यसै विद्यालयका कक्षा 9 मा अध्ययनरत छात्रा पूजा बस्नेतलाई मञ्चमा आएर आसन ग्रहण गरिदिनका लागि हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु। श्री मोहन
आगाईज्यूलाई हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु र दिनुहुन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु। र इन्जिनियर यज्ञ प्रसाद बन्जारे ज्यूलाई पनि अतिथिको आसन ग्रहण गरिदिनु हुन स्टेजमा आमन्त्रण गरिन्छ।
शिक्षक शिक्षिका र कक्षा 10 मा अध्ययनरत सम्पूर्ण दिदीदाई तथा मेरा प्यारा प्यारा साथीहरूलाई आफ्नो यथास्थानमा आसन ग्रहण गर्नका लागि हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु।
कार्यक्रम सुरु गरिदिनु हुन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु।
गान बजाइदिनु हुनका लागि हाम्रो यस स्कुलका संयोजक विक्रम राणा सरलाई हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु। सबैजना
प्रकृतिका कोटि कोटि सम्पदाको आचल मेहरू ज्ञान भूमि शान्ति भूमि तराई पहाड हिमाल अखण्ड यो प्यारो हाम्रो मातृभूमि नेपाल बहुजाति भाषा धर्म संस्कृति छ विशाल अग्रगामी राष्ट्र हाम्रो जय जय नेपाल।
स्वागत मन्तव्यको लागि हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु सोनी राणा।
उम्रन छ रे पिपल कक्षा 10 का दाजु दिदी नहु नुहै विफल कक्षा 10 का दाजु दिदी नहु नुहै विफल। आदरणीय सभाका सभाध्यक्ष महोदय, प्रमुख अतिथि, विशिष्ट अतिथि, अन्य अतिथिगण, सम्पूर्ण गुरुवर्ग, कक्षा 10 का दाजु दिदी तथा कक्षा 9 मा अध्ययनरत सम्पूर्ण मेरा साथीहरूमा म सोनी राणाको स्वीकार्नुहोस् नमस्कार। कार्यक्रममा सम्पूर्ण उपस्थित महानुभावहरूमा म हार्दिक स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छु। उच्च शिक्षा लिनुपर्छ उज्जवल हुन्छ रे पछि उच्च शिक्षा लिनुपर्छ उज्जवल हुन्छ रे गर्दा कता कता अलि दुखी लागिरहेको छ। किनभने अब हामीसँग हजुरहरू 13 वर्षदेखि सँगै रहिरहनु भएको छ, तर आजदेखि अब केही समयमै हजुरहरू यो स्कुलबाट टाढिएर जानुहुन्छ। त्यसैले मलाई आज कता कता खुसी लागेको छ भने कता कता दुखी पनि लागेको छ। मलाई खुसी यो कारणले लागेको छ कि अब हजुरहरू यो स्कुलबाट गएपछि आफ्नो छुट्टै भविष्य बनाउनु हुनेछ र त्यसैले म हजुरहरूको शुभ भविष्यको लागि ठुलो कामना गर्दछु। अहिले मसँग धेरै समय नभएको कारण हजुरहरू सम्पूर्णमा सुस्वागतम। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद सोनी राणा। आफ्नो मिठो मन्तव्य विद्यालयको तर्फबाट विद्यार्थी
Remain with time, age time goes so soon. Memories remain with the time, age time goes so soon. We often have to adjust or attune. But some situations are not in our hand. It's goodbye from Seministar to you. Goodbye from Seministar to you. A happy farewell. May you got everything new. May you got everything new. Thank you, program announcer, the chairman of this farewell program, the chief guest, and the chairman of this institution, Mohan Giri sir. Similarly, the special guest and the managing director of this institution, Subhas Gimire sir. Similarly, the guest and the principal of this school, Tikaram Chapagai sir. Similarly, coordinator Vikram Thapa sir, account coordinator, ECA coordinator, discipline in charge, all the teaching staff and non-teaching staff, and my loving students. First farewell program 2073, and I would like to especially heartful thank to the student of class 9 who organized this program in a systematic manner. I don't know what to say. I don't know what I mean to say because I'm in very sad mood today. Actually, I'm very sad and also very happy at the same moment. You may think how our sorry is happy and sad at a moment. Yes, I'm very sad because you are going to depart from this institution, because physically you are going to be apart from this institution after studying for a long year. But at the same moment, I'm very happy the success. You are going to achieve your goal. In that sense, I'm very happy. Actually, my lovely students, what I mean to say, I always compare the teachers with a burning candle. It's a burning candle burns itself and makes the environment bright in a similar way. We, the teacher, are also, we forget our one's happiness, one's joy, entertainment, and always how to make you a good student, how to make you a successful person, how to make you a good citizenship. प्राय देख्ने गर्छु मेरो शिक्षक शिक्षिका मित्रजनहरूलाई पनि सधैँ उहाँहरू चिन्तित मुद्रामा हुनुहुन्छ, बिकज सधैँ आफ्नो विद्यार्थीलाई कसरी असल विद्यार्थी बनाउने भन्ने विषयमा चिन्तित हुनुहुन्छ. Actually, how your parents love towards you, how your parents love and how the affection towards you, in the similar way also we have that affection towards you. I want to just remember here one very short story. म एउटा सानो प्रसङ्ग जोड्न चाहन्छु. विद्यार्थी हुन्छ र यसरी हो केही समयको अन्तरालमा एकजना युवतीको माया प्रेममा पर्छ. Actually there was a affection between, yes, what she tells, if you love me, if you have a affection towards me, यदि तिमी मलाई साँच्चीकै माया गर्छौ भने तिम्रो मम्मीको तिम्रो आमाको मुटु काटेर मलाई ल्याउ न. And that boy, he the mother's room, ऊ आफ्नो आमाको सुत्ने कक्षमा जान्छ र आफ्नो आमा सुतिरहेको बेलामा निर्दयपूर्वक उसले एउटा खुकुरी लगेर जान्छ र आफ्नो आमालाई उसले काटेर त्यो मुटु आफ्नो हातमा लिन्छ. त्यो पल्किरहेको मुटु हुन्छ उसको हातमा र त्यहाँबाट उसको प्रेमिकाको घर फेरि बाटोमा काँडाहरू हुन्छन् र ती बाटो पार गरेर जाने क्रममा त्यो उसको भड्किरहेको आमाको मुटुले भन्छ, बाबु बिस्तारै हिँड है, त्यो काँडाले तिमीलाई बिजाउला. कति माया हुन्छ आफूलाई आफ्नो आमा बुवाको, कति माया हुन्छ तिमी प्रति, हो त्यस्तै माया हुन्छ शिक्षक शिक्षिकालाई तिमी प्रति. वास्तवमा कतिपय अवस्थामा हामीले तिमीलाई धेरै माया गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ, कतिपय अवस्थामा तिमीहरूलाई थप्पड लगाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. Actually that slap given to you, that is also the love and care towards you. This sad moment also. Actually, I would like to say something towards you, my loving student. A student, actually, a student is the most important asset of the school. Yes, a student is the most important asset of the school, without which a school or we the teachers are also nothing. And moreover, it is also the true fact that a student is nothing and incomplete without a good teacher. So both are equally responsible for the significance of each other. we cannot say that. We even cannot say that our teacher play a great role in the student's life alone. Because a student is responsible, a student also responsible for making a student's life great and for making the value and the importance of the teacher. A good student can do nothing in the absence of a good teacher. Obviously, a good student can do nothing in the absence of a good teacher. And a teacher feels bad luck when he or she does not get a good student. So both need to support each other. Both need to support the teacher and the student. They both need to support each other equally in the school. Actually, what we have done, that was the responsibility towards you. Sometimes we loved, sometimes we cared, sometimes we punished you very badly. When you came late in the school, when you don't do your work, you got very hard punishment, and even you were loaded with a very hard tasks. And my loving students, what I mean to say here in this farewell program today is never look back. Just look forward to go ahead and to see the world. Because this world needs the more energetic, more talented, and the youngsters like you, my children. Actually, my dear students, never surrender any kind of the bad situation and just keep the strong determination what you should do, what you need to do. And I don't want to tell you more things here because we have the lack of time. At last, I want to say, go from here on the name, fame and money and return back to us to tell the story of the success. Saying this much, I want to depart from here right now. Thank you. Thank you.
केही छोटो मन्तव्यको लागि स्टेजमा आमन्त्रण गर्दछु.
My dear student and announcer of the today's program, Mr. Parvin Neupane, Honorable Chairperson of this program, respected Managing Director of our institution, Vice Principal Mr. A.K. Bandare sir, our coordinator sir, ECA coordinator, and all the teachers, and presented my dear students. Shouldn't say much because we are very lucky. Everyone, no one is perfect in everything, but everybody is perfect in something. Our Vice Principal sir, he said so many things that which I had to say. So I don't want to repeat this. But on the other hand, actually, morning shows the day, it is called. And really, in the first time, when the sir gave the speech, now I think that I should not repeat this. So please, but today, this 7-star English boarding schools farewell program, which is going to be organized, which is being organized by class 9 to the 10. This system, last year, in the same premise, there was tear in the eyes of the many students. I remember, but on that day, I was not here. We had to buy one vehicle and I was out of this premise. But today, we have already managed another vehicle also. The school is doing progress in the academic sector as well as in physical structure. We are very glad, but we know that so many things have to be done. And only if the teachers only want, it is not possible. There should be the coordination of the students, there should be the hard work of all the teachers and dedication is needed. So please, I want to tell you that the class 10 students, nowadays we have found they are mostly obedient, they are disciplined. And we want to teach the same type of manners, and the class 10 students, they will say what things they learned. There are very few days now to appear in the SSC exam. So they will also share so many things, and that things the class 9 students, they have to grab, they have to take, and they have to understand. And on the other hand, I want to remind, especially for the class 10 students, I cannot use the farewell program. I can't say that we are going to be far, but our love will be very nearer. It will remind us, you will remember us, and we will remember you. And I have already informally I have told, and once again I would like to tell you, the A plus holder students, not less than 10,000 we are going to reward. We have already decided, if you bring A plus, more can be, but with the 10,000, not less than 10,000 we will take in upcoming year also. So please, I don't want to tell you more things. You have to show sincerity, discipline, and hard work, dedication. You have to grab the time and you have to utilize the time. If you do this, you will be successful. And everyone should be able to stand in their own leg. We should not, it is possible if we do. Because sir already said, to make the school very different, very nice, one person can do nothing. But if everyone, even our guard, our peons, our teachers, our students, if they themselves, they are aware about discipline, the school can totally be changed, and it can be the, not only the good school, it will be the better school, it will be the excellent school. And your hard work, I would like to be depart from here. Thank you.
ज्यूलाई आफ्नो छोटो र मिठो मन्तव्य राखिदिएकोमा आज हामीबाट अनौपचारिक रूपमा बिदा भएर जानुहुने कक्षा 10 मा अध्ययनरत ऋतु पोखरेल ज्यूलाई मञ्चमा आफ्नो मन्तव्य दिनका लागि हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु।
Saying goodbye doesn't mean our friendship will be end. Saying goodbye doesn't mean it is forever. Saying goodbye doesn't mean it is the end. Saying goodbye simply means that we will be together in our whole life forever, and we will carry out our friendship forever. Thanks our chief guest, our announcer, respected chairperson, other guests, teachers, my lovely junior sisters and brothers, and my dear friends. On our farewell program held on today, I'm going to give a speech on the behalf of our class. Till we read from yesterday, and we have admitted in this school from many years ago, but I think it was like yesterday, but the time of departure has come very soon. I'm very sad to say that we are leaving this school, and our respected teachers, friends, junior loving brothers and sisters. I'm very thankful to our teachers to motivate us and to give good education for our bright future. They are very conscious for our bright future and giving us more knowledge with extracurricular activities. We should not be limited in our education only. We should not be bookish only. Extracurricular activities and extra program, extra leadership should be gained by our students. And I like to say to our junior students also to be participate in the extracurricular activities and show our talency. And in further days also, I would like to suggest to our teachers to motivate the students and help the extracurricular activities in weekly, we are holding the weekly tests also. In that program, we should further organize the other extracurricular activities like quiz competition, speech competition, which will increase our inner courage, and student will gain the leadership power. And saying goodbye to others, I would like to be far from this stage. Thank you.
आएर आफ्नो मन्तव्य दिएकोमा हामीसँग अरू थुप्रै कार्यक्रम भएको कारण, तर हामीसँग छोटो समय भएको कारण हामीले सबै कार्यक्रमलाई छोटो र मिठो गरेर चाँडो नै सक्ने योजना गराएका छौं। त्यसैले हाम्रै यही नृत्यको लागि मञ्चमा आउनको लागि हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु।
धीरज सरलाई पनि आसन ग्रहणको लागि हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु।
जस मुक्तक यो बन्दको बारेमा छ, जस भइरहेको थियो बन्द त्यसको बारेमा छ मुक्तक। त्यसले अनेकौं परिस्थिति बनाइदिन्छ, कहिले विरोध त कहिले बन्द गराइदिन्छ। त्यसले अनेकौं परिस्थिति बनाइदिन्छ, कहिले विरोध त कहिले बन्द गराइदिन्छ। कति युवाहरू नेपालमा रोजगार खोजिरहन्छन्, तर के गर्ने, सरकारले उनीहरूलाई सधैँ पासपोर्ट थमाइदिन्छ। सम्बन्धी छ ताप बढ्दैछ, वातावरण ताप बढ्दैछ। सबै मान्छेहरू आफ्नै काममा रम्न थालेपछि सत्यभन्दा बढी पाप बढ्दैछ, सत्यभन्दा बढी पाप बढ्दैछ। हिँडेको छु, स्वयं फाटेको मनलाई सिएर हिँडेको छु, तीरभन्दा पनि धारिलो वचन लिएर हिँडेको छु। तिमी हुँदा मेरो साथमा सयत्री बनेको थियो, तर आज एक्लो बोतलको शराब पिएर हिँडेको छु, तर आज एक्लो बोतलको शराब पिएर हिँडेको छु।
साथी रोशन तिवारी, ऋतु शर्मा र एन्जल गुरुङलाई मञ्चमा आएर गाना गाइदिनको लागि अनुरोध गर्दछु।
Wanted you to let me. I guess I still have let you in. Don't you ever say I could walk away. I will always want you. I can't live a life running for my life. I will always want you. I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hurt so hard at all. All I want
स्टेजमा आउन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु।
डान्सको लागि आमन्त्रण गर्दछु आशिक यादव।
श्री सरलाई स्टेजमा आउन हार्दिक आमन्त्रण गर्दछु। बाबु लाकपाल मिलाएर स्टेजमा आइदिनु हुन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु। सुनिल गुरुङ दीपू सङ्गीन
ट्रेनलाई ठ्याक्कै यसै गरी ट्रेनलाई आफ्नो
जो कहिले यो टोकन अफ लभ पाउनु भएको छैन यो पछि पनि पाउन सक्नुहुन्छ र हाम्रो यो टोकन अफ लभ वितरण गरिदिनको लागि मोहन सर
टोकन अफ लभ दिने विचार गरेका थियौँ र त्यो वितरण गर्ने अभि लगाइदिएर सहयोग गरिदिनु हुन म अनुरोध गर्दछु र साथी दिनुहुन म अनुरोध गर्दछु। हामीलाई कलम छोप्नदेखि लिएर कख लेख्नसम्म सिकाउनु हुने हाम्रा साना कक्षामा पढाउनु हुने शिक्षक शिक्षिकाहरूलाई म यहाँ आउन आग्रह गर्दछु। सिरियल वाइज आउनुहोला। पम्फा श्रेष्ठ तालीको कमी नहोस् है, हामीलाई लेखाउन सिकाउने उहाँहरू नै हो। सविता यादव, सबिना गुरुङ, सपना आले, हुमा रेग्मी, केशमाया गुरुङ, मधु सारू, सुशीला पौडेल, बिनु गुरुङ, ईश्वरी डुम्बे, प्रतिमा श्रेष्ठ। तालीको कमी भयो है। थापा, विष्णुकोटी, रमेश खनाल, कोऑर्डिनेटर विक्रम थापा, अकाउंटेंट शिव काफले, वाइस प्रिंसिपल इंजीनियर एके बंजारे, प्रिंसिपल टिकाराम चापागाई, चेयरमैन मोहन गिरी। तालीको कमी भयो है। र बेस्ट टिचरको अवार्ड जित्न सफल हुनुहुन्छ निरज नगरकोटे।
Hello, everybody. Good evening. I would like to thank to all the students who provide me the best teacher award. Although there's not for me, but there are all other teachers who had do all the activities so seriously. Okay, they deserve it than me. Okay, but the student thinks so. I'm glad to be here to get the best teacher award. Thank all the students and my dear teachers and colleagues. Thank you.
चार्ज गरेका थियौँ र लिएर आएका पनि छौँ र टोकन अफ लभ ग्रहण गरिदिनका लागि यसै स्कुलका प्रिन्सिपल टिकाराम चापागाई विक्रम थापा र अन्य सुभाष गिरी सर, सुभाष घिमिरे सर र अन्य टिचरहरूलाई पनि म यहाँ स्टेजमा आउन आग्रह गर्छु। म अनुरोध गर्दछु।